Hi, this is Robin Moses, and I'm doing a three finger tutorial on Juicy. And I'm starting off with white, and I'm going to go in and go across as if I was going to do it like a deep French line, and then I'm going to go up like that. Okay. And then hit it here. Then hit it there. And then I'm going to carry it around like that so that it just says love right across the bottom. Then on this one, I'm going to carry silver across here like that. Let it dry. And then in the center, I am going to make like a little snowman. A little tail like that. And then it's going to be like this. Another snowman. They're touching, and it's going to be like this. And with the beak, I'm going to go in with just silver and black. Go like this. Okay, that. Then on this one, I'm going to go across like this and touch like that. Ah! And oh goodness gracious, that's kind of like a weird one. Whatever, it's just a quick tutorial. Anyways, you get the idea. It's the idea that matters. You go like that. This. That. Okay. Now these I want these to dry, so real quickly. Okay, and now I'm going in with a darker gray, and I am going to go like this. That. 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 Okay, and this, and then on the bottom I'm going to make the cage like this so it looks like it's all circular. And then on the top, same thing, circular. I should be using my liner, not my striper, but oops. This is a quick tutorial on love. Oh my gosh, I'm totally cracking up Juicy today. I'm evil. Shit, my evil came out today a couple times. I can't like there. Give him a little stick to sit on. And with my striper, my liner, duh. I'm gonna go in with just say yes. Yes. And like this. Okay, I will top coat and I'll meet you back. Okay, so I'm back, and here is the Lovebirds. Anyways, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so check me out. Robin Moses fan page at Facebook. If you try them, it's copyrighted, so if you do them, say inspired by Robin Moses somewhere in the design. Shout out whatever artist you're copying, and I hope you like them.
Pinterest, Tumblr.
Yeah, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.